Hi everyone, it's Mark from Brave Auto International in Japan. It's a Thursday morning and I'm at Nagoya checking some cars for some customers that are coming up for auction tomorrow. This is one of them. This is a 1999 Toyota Aristo Twin Turbo. So 3-litre twin turbo, 280 horsepower standard. It's done 49, I think it was, 49,000 Ks, grade 4, and it's in a blue. And it looks quite a nice looking car actually. I'll go around it and show you a few bits and pieces. Start up the front here and I'll get that closed. In the engine bay here, it's really nice. Nice and tidy in the aspect. It's never been cleaned, which I like, so that means I can clean it and make it look really nice. You got some service stickers there. It's really quiet in the motor. The water's good. Oil seems fine as well. Underneath the bonnet, it's all nice. And it's just a nice car in there anyway. Close this down. Okay, we'll have a quick look in the boot and we'll close that. Obviously I've just had all the trim up in here, so that's why it's sitting like that. So I'll show you underneath first. Tools all in there, jack. I think there's spares under this piece here. Spare wheel has been on the car at some stage. It's not the end of the world, that's what it's for. Okay. Got a voice navigation thingamajiggy there. Go back down. Okay. It's obviously black in there, it's nice. The boots on these are really big. Just close this down. Right, we'll start with the body. Well, we'll do the wheels first, eh? The alloys are 16, I think, remember correctly. Yeah, 16 inch. Tyres are good, but there's no DOT markings. The alloys are really nice. Good nick, same with that one. And if we go around the other side, same with that one, good nick. And down the rear here, it's in good nick. Right, we'll start with the paint. The car's been paint sealed, which is a good thing, because there's a sticker on it saying it's been done. It's got a little mark down there, see that? Headlights are really nice. It's been a garage car, you can tell. The headlights are nice and clear. Okay, they've got E marks on them as well. Down the side here, it's nice. You just got just some hair-like scratches. See them? A couple of chips on the edge of the door there, only minor. Down there as well. A couple of chips on that door, the edge there. This rear guard's been painted at some stage and it's been done really well. You wouldn't, like I had a look and I don't know how they even how they even managed to work out whether it had been painted. It's been done that well. There's no orange peel to it, no dimpling. Oh, okay, actually now, when I move around the light, which I didn't notice before but just noticed now, going backwards and forwards with the light over there shining in on it. I can see just in there. You may see it, you may not. Just very fine in there. That's how they've worked it out. There's a small mark in there. You probably ain't going to see it. Well, you are going to see it now it's been pointed out to you. Okay. The other thing it's got a hair-like scratch. Starts from there, finishes here. You can see that. On your bumper here, got a little small scratch there. On the boot lid, it's got some hair-like scratches. Okay, it goes like that. You can see that. Maybe, maybe not. Just remember, I've got the fluorescent light right above it. And it's going to make everything look worse than what it really is. Couple of scratches there, some there. Here you got 2 paint touch-ups, see them there? And just looking down them, no, maybe very, very fine dents. Got a couple of paint chips here. Hair-like scratch here. Got a little mark here on the mirror which will polish off. It's just a bit dirty down here. And that's basically it for the body. Bonnet seems fine, there's no watermarks, no paint clear coat damage. Roof seems fine. There's a bit of bird poo there, but that's fairly fresh looking. Not that I'm an expert on fresh bird poo or anything, but it looks fresh to me. Another reason I know it's a garage car, or being a garage car, no window tint, but not faded. That's how you can tell. And those are little smelly things the owners put in. The subwoofer there. It's actually nice to see an Aristo with no window tint. You can actually have a really good look in the back here now. It's quite interesting. Right, we'll have a look in the rear. Door's locked. Why is it locked? I've just been through it. I must have banged the lock switch. I thought then, I was worried, I thought I might have locked the car accidentally and I got it running sitting here. And I thought, might have to do a runner. Anyway. Start again. Got the wood trim. It hasn't got leather in this, but it's actually I prefer them without leather, but some people want leather, so the trim is really nice. It looks like no one's ever sat in the back here, to be honest. It's that good. Behind the seats, it's all nice, you know. Hood lining's lovely. You've seen that or not? All the rubbers are really good, you know. Not dry or anything. You've got the window rain visors as well, fitted. This door panel's all good. No seat belt damage down there. And you've got the auto window. Dash is really nice, in real good condition. Actually, I don't think anyone sat on this side either. I don't think this person had any friends, to be honest. It's too clean. Electric seat all works, I've been playing with them all. So they'll go backwards and forwards, up and down, and whatever they're meant to do. We'll just have a look in the driver's side. Really nice, really nice. You guys probably can't appreciate it through the camera, whereas in real life it's really nice. Service sticker there. Got your mirrors there, folding. Got electrics again. Just some scuffs there on the corner which you can get off easy enough. Side airbags. Seat's perfect. Jump in. The steering wheel, I don't think I've seen a steering wheel as nice and clean as that. That is perfect. Got your steering wheel gear change, got the airbag, you've got cruise control, your headlights which are automatic, wipers on that side, dash in there, let's give a couple of revs. Okay. You got your JBL speaker up there. got your navigation, touchscreen, thingamajiggy, TV, what have we got here? Radio. Okay. Okay, so there's your heater controls. Okay, touch, just turn the radio down. All touch screen. All works, I've been playing with it before. Never been smoked in. That in properly. Gear levers just like the steering wheel, you know. This guy, I reckon he, whoever owned this must have wore gloves all the time, because there's just no wear, no dirt or grime either on the steering wheel or on the gear knob. You know, if you look at the steering wheel here, the stitching, this is normally where you get grime, you know. Anyway, drinks holder there, holds two. Your normal automatic, power mode, no mode for the transmission, traction control off. Storage box number 1, storage box number 2, and you've got a auxiliary point in there. And in the glove box are the books, camera to focus, books, and there's your CD changer in there. And show you the sheet. Grade 4, A interior, bang on with that. Bang on the exterior as well. Yeah, it says there books. Where is it? Looking through the camera. See that one there? The circle? That means books. So yeah, nice car. I'll just go around it once more for you. I really like the colour. I like this blue. Just a nice straight, you know, straight car for someone really. You know, I know it's a plain Jane in the aspect it's got no fancy wheels, no fancy exhaust, no fancy window tint. It's a plain Jane, but you know, it's a nice, straight, clean, tidy plain Jane. You can see the water leaking down there. That is not water leak, it's the aircon. Nice car. And that's Mark from Brave Auto International Japan, and I'll email you tonight. See you later.